In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your video using Google Vids. First things first, let's kick off by navigating to Google Vids. Google Vids is part of the suite of tools offered by Google Workspace, specifically designed to simplify video editing and sharing. Once you've reached the home page, the next logical step is to sign into your Google account. This might seem straightforward, but keep in mind accessing Google Vids requires you to have a Google Workspace account due to its integration with other Google services. After clicking on the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This step is crucial as it ensures that the actions you perform are within the context of your personal or business workspace, allowing for a smoother integration with files stored in Google Drive or connected services. Once you're logged in, the next phase involves getting your logo onto your video, which admittedly can seem a bit daunting at first. However, Google Vids simplifies this process. Look for the Insert button. This is your gateway to adding various elements to your video, including text, shapes, and most importantly for our task, images. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down menu from which you'll select Upload to bring your logo into the Google Vids workspace. Now, if you're following along, you've reached a pivotal moment, the actual addition of your logo to the video. This involves browsing your computer for your logo file. Ideally, your logo should be in a PNG format with a transparent background to seamlessly integrate without covering essential parts of your video content. Once you've found and selected your logo, uploading it is just a matter of a few clicks. After uploading, you'll likely find that your logo appears either too large or too small on the video. No worries, resizing is a simple drag and adjust process. Click on your logo within the video editor and you'll see handles appear around its borders. Click and drag these handles to resize the logo to your liking. While resizing, try to maintain the aspect ratio of your logo to avoid distortion. A good tip here is to hold down the Shift key while dragging to resize your logo proportionately. As you resize, consider the placement of your logo as well. A lower corner of the video is typically less intrusive and maintains the viewer's focus on the main content. However, the exact location might vary depending on your video layout and content, so feel free to experiment with what looks best. During this process, pay attention to the overall aesthetic and balance of your video. The logo should enhance, not detract from your video's message. Its size should be large enough to be recognizable, but not so large that it overwhelms the content. Achieving this balance might require a few adjustments, so take your time to review and modify as needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with the logo's size and positioning, it's time to save your changes. Google Vids. Auto saves your progress, but it's always a good idea to manually save or export your project to ensure no edits are lost. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to add a professional touch to your videos by incorporating your logo using Google Vids. This technique not only reinforces brand identity, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your content, making it stand out in a crowded digital space. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different logo sizes and positions until you find what works best for your specific video content. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to creating engaging, branded video content that captivates your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tutorials on how to maximize your video content with Google Vids. Happy editing!